everyone, my name is Kaylee, and today we are going to be building the molecule acetonitrile. So this slide is showing us basic information that we need to understand what this molecule is going to look like. So we have carbon counts, hybridizations, and structural formulas. So when we start learning and building a molecule, we need to have a good understanding of the basics about this molecule. So this slide template is a good way to start grasping what our molecule may look like before we even try to build it. So we're going to be using Happy Atom model kits to build acetonitrile today, and we're going to start with a carbon. So you can see that carbon has these white silicone bonds. So obviously these are going to represent each bond for a carbon molecule. So this magnet on the end is going to represent electrons, and these circular magnets on the actual molecule is going to be binding sites. So you can see that carbon has 4 bonds, and that's because carbon needs 4 bonds in order to be stable. So we're going to start making this carbon atom stable by adding 3 hydrogen atoms. So each hydrogen atom is going to bond to this carbon, making a single covalent bond. So it's important to notice too that it's easier to put these atoms together, make this bond. It's easier to put it together than it is to take it apart. You need more force in order to take it apart than you do to keep it together. That's because when two molecules bond together, that bond is stronger than it would be just to click it together. So that's why certain things have higher melting points. They have stronger bonds because it's harder to break those bonds. So right now, carbon is not satisfied. So it's got 3 hydrogen bonds, but it's still missing one. So in order for acetonitrile molecule, we're going to need another carbon bond. So these 2 carbons are going to bond together, making another single bond. And now this first carbon is satisfied with 4 bonds, but the next carbon is not. It only has 1 bond. So we're going to need to triple bond a nitrogen atom to the second carbon in order to make acetonitrile. So that's going to be our next step because it has 3 bonds left. So we need to triple bond this nitrogen. And it has 2 bonds on the same side because normally nitrogen is triple bonded to a carbon atom. So there's a couple different ways you can use your happy atoms to make a triple bond look like a triple bond. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways. Just remember that it's all acetonitrile. They just have different looks depending on where you place your magnets. So this is one way you can do it. It looks kind of bent, but it's just the way the magnets are. So now this molecule is now acetonitrile. Everything is satisfied, everything is put together just like it should be. So 2 carbons, 3 hydrogens, and 1 nitrogen is what makes up acetonitrile. So another important thing to know is this molecule is all stable, meaning that it doesn't have lone pairs. Everything is bonded exactly how each atom wants to be bonded because they don't have any lone pairs. So this is another way you can kind of show what that triple bond might look like. So it each has a different bonding site, but they're a little more straight compared to how it was earlier. But it's still the same thing. It's all stable. They all have the same amount of bonds and no lone pairs. So lastly, we're going to do a different way you can kind of show it. So we're going to bend these and put them together. And this is my favorite way to do it because they each have their own individual bonding site like they should. And it's all stable again, and it's all straight, and everything's happy. So, I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have a great day.